Alright, so this video explains how to use the launch control and the hard cut with anti-lag because y'all seem to be confused. For launch control, arm the cruise control or turn on that green LED and then clutch in and then just rev. You can opt to press in the clutch after revving the car or whatever order, but it has to be green LED, which just turned off. Green LED and then clutch in and rev. That'll do it. Have to be low speed as well. Can't be going fast. And then for hard cut, turn off the LED. Make sure that light is not illuminated. The cruise control light is not illuminated. And then this is your rolling anti-lag button. Hold that down and then rev. Very simple. It's not hard to get, it's not difficult to get right. I do not understand why it is confusing, but that is how you do it.